It's a few weeks after the 25th anniversary of the Game Boy Advance's US release, but we finally have a modern-day remake, even if it's not from Nintendo. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. During its latest product sharing stream, Ayaneo revealed the Konkr Pocket Advance, its take on the iconic horizontal handheld, but the one which is updated with a better display, extra buttons, and 2 fitting colors. After taking inspiration from the original Game Boy Advance, the Konkr Pocket Advance uses a 3.5-inch LCD screen to achieve the same 3:2 aspect ratio, but with a higher resolution of 960 by 640. Ayaneo has added the full range of ABXY buttons, additional menu buttons, and some extra shoulder buttons, while also modernizing the handheld with a USB-C port, micro SD slot, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth compatibility. There's even a 3.5mm headphone jack and a volume adjustment wheel for that extra touch of retro. So far, Ayaneo has only revealed 2 colors from the Konkr Pocket Advance, which is a navy blue that's reminiscent of the classic indigo Game Boy Advance, and a coral orange that feels like a callback to the Spice Orange variant. As usual, Ayaneo hasn't announced a price or release window for its latest handheld. However, fans are speculating that Ayaneo is planning for a larger production run of its Konkr Pocket Advance, unlike its Pocket Micro 2 that's sold out in minutes for its very limited production runs. Ayaneo is making sure you get the kick of nostalgia when you get your hands on the new upcoming console. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.